What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Tank be chopping, and we back with another video. We're gonna jump straight into this video, guys. This video is gonna be an unboxing of the new Whal Professional Kuno clipper. Check that out. But y'all know what it is, man. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I literally just got it in the mail today, so I haven't used it. But let's go ahead and look at some of the stuff on the box before we actually jump into unboxing it and seeing what's inside of this box right here. All right, so we got the Kuno cordless clipper. You can run it corded or cordless, obviously. Compact and lightweight, quick detachable DLC blade, ergonomic non-slip grip. So it does come with 6 premium magnetic guards, 7,200 RPM motor, up to 100-minute runtime, 60-minute quick charge time. That's what we got on the side right here. Quick detached blades for easy cleaning, 3 clicks or floating lever for versatility and control, a high performance brushless motor, long lasting efficient lithium ion battery. So with that being said, man, let's go ahead and check it out. And before I actually get into unboxing this, I do want to state that Whal sent me some specifications for this clipper, so I'm gonna go ahead and read them to y'all. That way we can understand a little bit more about this clipper before we, get into the unboxing. So FYI, man, this clipper is supposed to be great for bulk removal and off scalp cutting, like some freehands, when you're doing some freehanding, sculpting the beard and such. It's supposed to be great for that, but they did let me know that it won't be a primary clipper for skin tight fading. So with that being said, now that we understand that, we know that it may not cut that good when it comes to blending. However, when I do start to use this in my demonstration portions of my videos, I will let y'all know once I use it, and I'll let y'all know if it is good for fades or not. Retail will be $2.99, and it should be on the Whal website right now. So you can go to wahlpro.com and use my discount code TANK15, save yourself 15% on this clipper right here, just in case y'all want to, Y'all ain't got to. But with that being said, man, let's go ahead and open up this box and check out this new Whal Kuno clipper. Shout out to Whal for sending me this. Y'all know what it is, man. Whal is one of the oldest clipper companies in the game. So shout out to them. They rocking with your boy. But check it out, once you open up the box, this is how the inside looks. We do get a bigger pamphlet than normal, but we're gonna go ahead and put that to the side. We get the clipper here. So let me go ahead and take it out. Oh, so it looks a lot smaller than it did on the box. So, okay. So we got the clipper right here, as y'all can see. Check it out. It's smaller than what I originally thought it was gonna be, honestly, on the box. It looks a little bigger. I figured it was gonna be a little bigger, but we got the Kuno clipper, and it does got a click lever, and I believe you can take the clicks out and just make it a floating lever. But even though there is clicks in there, it's only 3 clicks. It's all the way open, halfway open, and then all the way closed. But even though there is clicks, you can leave it right there. Like it's gonna stay right there, and that's the click, and then you could open it up a little bit more, and then that's the click right there. So all in all, a little different than what I'm used to, but we're gonna try this thing out. All right, but check it out, man. Like I said, ergonomically, it is a little smaller than what I thought it was gonna be. It doesn't feel bad in the hand. I feel like you can use this, especially if you're debulking hair. I feel like it'll be good for shaping afros, line up the shaping the beards also. Feels pretty comfortable in hand, and I'm not gonna lie, I like that sound of this clipper. It sounds nice. Like the actual sound of the motor sounds good. I'm excited about that. As y'all can see, we got the charging dock down here. Oh, I'm sorry, not the dock, but the charging port. We got like a rubber anti-slip grip on the back with a little thumb indentation, finger indentation. That way you can just, hold the clipper right there if you'd like. Clipper, as you can see here, this is the clipper all the way open. This is the clipper all the way closed. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit of more research on this clipper, because it's a little different, not exactly what I'm used to, but nonetheless, man, shout out to Whal for sending your boy this. We got a DLC blade on it. It tells you the lengths of basically what it is when you're halfway and when you're all the way open. So when it's all the way closed, as you can see, it's 0.08 millimeters. Halfway open, it is 1.3 millimeters, and then all the way open, it's 1.8 millimeters. So the fact that they got that's pretty cool. But let's go ahead and put this to the side and let's finish checking out the contents of this box. Quick change, easy blade set removal with one push. So you can easily push the blade up. I'm gonna do that right now in a second. But once we open up the box, we have some stuff right here. As you can see, we got the charging dock. So let me get this out of here. So this is the charging dock. As you can see, it sits in there nicely. Nice looking charging dock. Shout out to Whal. You know, they coming through trying to make some strides in the game. They got a nice little charging dock also. And then we have the charging cord right here with the charging port on this side. And then we do get some guards, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I'm not a fan of having a lot of guards on my station. Like honestly, I already have 3 sets of guards. I got my Babyliss Premium guards, I also have my Stylecraft Dub guards, and I also have my JRL guards. So to use this clipper, you gotta use these specific guards. So not 100% sure how I'm gonna feel about that, but they are magnetic, so you know, I guess that's pretty dope. But check it out, these are some of the guards. I'm gonna go ahead and take the guard out of here and put it on the clipper, just one of these guards, so y'all can see how it looks. So this is the half guard, as y'all can see. It looks pretty similar to the original, you know, the OG half guard from Whal, just slightly shaped different. So it fits on there good, man. It's on there nice and snug, excuse my language. All right, so it fits on there nice. As you can see, check that guard out. So as you can see, that like if you cover this, it looks like the regular Whal half guard, right? But when you take that off, obviously it's a little bigger, a little longer. But that's how the half guard on the clipper looks. And I gotta be honest with y'all, man. I like the sound. Once again, I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna like the clipper due to the, I don't want to say new guard system, but the fact that we have a whole set of different guards. But as you can see, we have a whole set of guards here. It does come with 6 premium guards. So I'm assuming the half, the 1, the 1.5, the 2, the 3, and the 4 guards. So we ain't gonna look too much into that. But then we also get a little thing of Whal oil. Check that out. We get a different style brush. Okay, I see y'all. We got a little different type of brush here. And then what else we got in here? That's basically everything that comes in the box. So I'm actually, normally, you know, I'm gonna chunk this, but I have to look at this because, check it out. So there's like this little lever thing down here. It kind of, I don't know what it does. It says dynamic. Oh, okay. Oh, I got you. Okay. One side says dynamic and one side says click. So if I move it to the dynamic side, there's no clicks on the lever. The lever is just floating. But if I move it to the opposite side, it makes it a click lever. So that's pretty dope. You know, I could put it on whichever side I want. I'll probably keep it on the dynamic side just because of the clicks, you know, the way they are. But as you can see, the blade still opens up pretty nicely with that. I'll probably keep it on this side, and I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna run a whole fade with this. You know, I know they told me it wasn't specifically made for fades, it's made for debulking, freehanding, but I'm gonna do a whole fade with it. I'm gonna see how it works. Y'all know how your boy does it, man. We gonna do that. Probably not in this video, but we are gonna do it in the video. And if I do it in this video, y'all gonna see the contents of that later on in this video. But nonetheless, man, check it out. Here is the Whal Kuno clipper. I'm excited to try this out. Once again, if you are interested in this clipper, you can go to wahlpro.com and use my discount code TANK15 on that website. Save yourself 15%. That way, you know, if you're interested, you can get it. Now, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I like that Whal is coming out with some new stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like they got that new vapor clipper coming soon, which I'm excited to try. So we're gonna see. You know, Whal's trying to make some moves in the game. They came out with the new high vis trimmer. You know, they got the new Kuno right here. They got the new vapor trimmer, or I'm sorry, the new vapor clipper coming soon. So shout out to Whal, man. I see y'all trying to make some strides in the game. I see y'all trying to make moves and trying to be relevant. And we're gonna see how this thing runs, man. Like honestly, I'm excited to try this. And I just noticed that when you move this lever, it's not even the top blade that moves. It's actually the bottom blade that moves up and down. So that's something different. But nonetheless, man, check it out. Super quiet motor. But y'all know what it is, man. That's basically it for this video, man. We do get this big, oh, you know what I was gonna do? I was gonna take the blade off for y'all. They said that it's easy to take off, so All you do is pop that up. And that right there kind of reminds me of the, I don't even remember what it's called, but y'all remember the clipper from Andis, the one that no one liked. I want to say it was the Revite. I may be wrong on that, but it was that, you know, that's what it kind of reminds me of. So I'm hoping this isn't as bad as the Revite. Honestly, I was hoping that the Revite was going to be good, but hopefully this isn't as bad as the Revite, but we're going to try it. We're going to see, you know, basically what it does. Check it out, man. Once again, the Whal Kuno clipper. But y'all know what it is, man. That's basically it for this video. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and show y'all what comes in this clipper when you purchase it, in case y'all are interested. Obviously, you know, I know y'all watch this channel for reviews and unboxings and stuff, so if y'all are interested, once again, you can go to wahlpro.com, use my discount code TANK15. But that's basically it for this video. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And y'all know what it is, man. We're gonna put this thing to use, and y'all gonna see me using this in a future video. But yeah, man, I greatly appreciate y'all for watching. That's basically it for this video. Until next time, let's go. You.